guys? Widge the Wiz here. I've got an awesome video for you guys today. Now, most of you are familiar with my 2006 CBR 600 F4i. This is my yellow sport bike. I've had this bike now for many months, a little bit over a year, and I've really been enjoying riding it on the street and, as you've seen from my previous videos, on the track as well. Now, I like this bike a lot for a lot of reasons. It's affordable, it's got a decent amount of power, and you know, it was easy to get into. It's because it's so affordable and it has a decent amount of power. Why don't I get another one? So today, guys, I'm going to show you my new CBR 600 F4i track version. Alright guys, this is my new CBR 600 F4i track bike. This is a 2001 model year, and as you can see, somebody's already decked it out for the track, and it has definitely seen some track time, let me tell you. Looking around this bike, there's a slew of mods built specifically and meant specifically for the track. Now, because here on this channel we are built not bought, I cannot let this bike stay this way. Yeah, that's right. I have an entire box behind me that has so many mods and upgrades for this bike. Guys, it's gonna be awesome. We're starting a new build series and I can't wait to show you all of the new parts that are going on this bike. But maybe I should give you guys a sneak peek. Ooh, what do we see here? All right, that's enough for now. All right, but we do have a major problem we need to solve for today. So when I bought this bike, it was running, and it wasn't running the best, but I was able to load it up onto a trailer and get it home. Unfortunately, when I brought it back, I really didn't have time to make this series of videos or really dive into maintaining and seeing all what was wrong with the bike. So unfortunately, there was a lot of water in the gas tank, and I stored the bike outside under what I thought was a waterproof cover, which wasn't, and it only made the problem worse. So here are some ugly pictures of what the inside of the tank looks like. Ew! And here's what the tank should look like. So today, I am going to remove the rest of the slime and bad gunk from the tank and take it off, clean it, and hopefully the fuel system isn't completely trashed and we can get it started today. Alright guys, so here's what we got going on right now. I got the tank off, I got the whole fuel system disconnected. Actually no, just the tank and the fuel pump assembly out here. It's pretty grimy. It's probably gonna need a rebuild for sure. I got the rest of the bad gas out of the tank, and actually I did a really good job of getting it into this external container here, which I can now go ahead and dispose of properly. So all in all, things are going pretty good right now. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the tank as best as I can, and then I'm gonna head to the parts store. All right guys, so it's a new day, and I had to kind of stop for a while because I realized before putting this back together, I should probably get a new fuel filter just because of all the gunk that was in the tank. So I got a new OEM one that I'm going to install because I think the pump itself is in good enough shape to continue operating for a good long while, but I want to make sure that we're not being hindered by low fuel pressure because of a clog in the fuel filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that now. Alright, here we go. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned. There's going to be so much more coming with this motorcycle. I've got a whole box of parts I need to install. Anyway, at the end of the day, it's looking pretty good right now. The bike runs, which is super important, and I can't wait to get some more work in on it. Thanks for watching this video and everything else on my channel. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.